Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Oxford White 2021 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained with absolutely no accidents. It is a local Alberta vehicle and it comes in the XLT trim with a 302A equipment group. You have a full spray bed liner with a slow release tailgate with a tailgate step up. It also comes with the XLT Sport package with a 3.5 liter V6 PowerBoost hybrid engine. It comes with a full leather steering wheel, a huge display screen, a cloth interior, and an automatic transmission. Also have tons of drive modes that you can change to. This F-150 comes with heated seats, navigation, Bluetooth, also has reverse camera, pre-collision assist with AEB, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, a remote start, you also come with a 12-volt cigarette adapter, and if you need more storage, you can fold up those rear seats for even more room. Thank you very much for watching my video, and come on down to maclinford.com to see more. Thank you very much, and have a good day.